Okay guys, in this tutorial objective will be to handle product instances, these individual items that we have for sale. So here we need to have a link to product instances. Before we do that, we need to handle template and views, and yeah, that's pretty much it, and routes. Right, so let's do that. Okay, so views, let's navigate here, and we need to add things from models, and those things are product instances. Okay, so let me grab that in views.py. We're gonna include that, which means now we can create a generic view. Well, we're gonna just copy paste this to save a little bit of time because structure is the same, but we will not use products. We already have that. We're gonna target product instances. And also here, that's the model we are targeting for generic representation. Okay, so what about URLs? We need to handle that. Right, so I'm gonna copy this line down there. The path on server on website will be product, okay, product instances. Let me confirm that. Is it product? Just a second. Models. Oh, right. No S. So product instances. Okay. And name, alias we're gonna use in template will be, well, product instances. This is kind of boring, but that's actually the cool stuff, because if something is boring, you already know that. And if you know that, then means that it's proven in practice. So Warren Buffett always note that if something is boring, it gives you results. So yeah, right. Oh, right, I need to change that right here. Product instances. So now we have dedicated views for categories, product, and instances. That's cool. Of course, as a view, generic stuff. What else? Well, if we navigate to our website and if I type product instances, I'm gonna land into problem, actually product, not products. Because see, Django is demanding something. Template does not exist, we know that, and Django is actually telling you what generically you need to create. So in a shop template directory, in a general templates directory, you need to have exactly this name, generic name for HTML template. These things need to be concatenated, and suffix must be underscore list. Why is that so? Well, if you check what's happening in the database, you're gonna see that we do have a shop, okay, and product instances is also concatenated here. Okay, so this is why you need to have that generic name created. This is so easy to do in Django. So let's actually do that in editor. In a shop, we're gonna create product instances underscore list HTML. Okay, and now to save a little bit of time, I'm gonna copy paste everything from here. You can type these things manually, but it's totally up to you. So there are a couple of things that here we need to change, and we will follow order of columns from models. So we do care about instance title, about description, type, and the buyer. This is the order of things we need to print in our results. Yes, you can also print ID, but that's maybe too much in the front end. You have that in the back end in Django administration. So title, description, type, and the buyer. Right. So here, just a second. Here we're gonna say title, and the next one will be description, and then type. That is actually subcategory of products, and another thing will be for buyer. Right. So these things are hard-coded names for columns. And now down there we're gonna extract those things like dynamically. But not from product list, now we are targeting product instances. So let's change that. Product instances. So see how Django is following that generic thing, like product instances list here, name is the same, and database is with same name. So see, that's absolutely great. You don't need to think, and that's time saver. Right. So let's follow this order that is hard coded also down there. But we are targeting instance title and not just title. So let's change that. Instance title, instance description, and type. Instance type or type, just a second. Yeah, instance type. Okay, and next thing is just buyer. That specific buyer. You can have only one buyer for one product or for one item without instance, because here we are just saying buyer. So yeah, I'm gonna copy paste, and hopefully now the thing will work when I refresh this thing. Oh, right, so that works. Let me check. So we have individual item, a little bit of description, subcategory, products basically, subcategory, that's cool, and we do have a buyer for this thing, and we don't have a buyer for Ericsson 1080s. Right, so that's cool. Okay, what else we can do here? What we must do is, yeah, link in navigation bar. Where is that thing? Base template. And we're gonna copy paste this down there. And product instance. Or call it items, it's totally up to you. If this is a long, just call it things or items. And of course we must target that specific path, product instance. Why? Because in urls.py you have it as an alias. So you can just basically copy paste it if you like in base template. Yeah, that's it. I already done that. Product instances. Let me confirm that. Yeah, product instances. So that will work. And now when I refresh our page, I need to see things here, and those things need to be operational. So let me check. Categories, cool. Products, cool. Product instances. So there you go, guys. That's pretty much it for product instances. And in the next tutorial, we're gonna handle buyers. That's what we need to do. After we are done with that, we're gonna start rolling forms to add things in categories and all these other modules. I mean tables in SQLite database that we have. So yeah, that's, as you see, fairly easy thing to do in Django. Absolutely love it. Sorry. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching as always, and see you next tutorial.